Welcome to Anita's kitchen. Today I will help you to make snack of semolina, that is suji. We are going to make upma of it. I have taken 1 bowl of semolina, that is suji, and 3 times of it water, means 3 bowls of water. Now I am going to boil this, and in the meantime I am going to roast this suji, semolina. Now it is roasted. Take it out in a bowl. In this boiling water, I will add dried flowers of Asian pigeon wings, that is aprajita. Now put off the gas and cover it with a lid. Oil is heated. Mustard seeds, curry leaves, black gram skinned and spilt, urad, chickpeas skinned and spilt, chane ki dal. Now stir it. Everything is roasted. Green chili. Now all these vegetables which are organic and fresh from my garden. Now stir it. Now add table salt according to your taste. Again stir the mixture. Add beetroot also. Mix it. I have strained the water of Asian pigeon wings in this way. Now add this water into this. Let it boil. Now it has begun to boil. Add this semolina, that is suji, little by little, and go on stirring it. Go on stirring it till it becomes thick. When it becomes like this, add a little bit of ghee in it. Again stir it. Now I am going to squeeze key lemon in it, and I'll show you the color. See how the color is changing. See, in this way I have put it upside down in the bowl. Now I am going to remove it. Going to dress it with green coriander leaves. So beautiful is looking. See, a healthy cake full of vegetables, and this cake is fully organic. I think you'll like this snack. See, so nice and beautiful it's looking. So healthy. I can't wait. Very, very yummy and healthy. Beautiful upma. Healthy snack for all of you. So enjoy this. Bye.